All right, hey everybody. Hope y'all are doing better than me currently. Let me walk you through the important things that I hope that you're remembering about 5.3 and 5.5 here. All right, so this first question involves a series of parallel lines which are equidistant from each other because HG is congruent with GF is congruent with FE. That means every other transversal, including the one that includes AK and then AD, are also going to be made up of congruent parts. So when it tells you that AJ is 11, when it tells you that AB here is 18, well, that means that these parts will both be 9 because AB has two sections of that. I'm sorry, AC is two sections. So AB is 9 and BC is 9. And then, of course, uh, B JB is 7. So from there, we can figure out that AF includes two sections of these 11, so that's 22. AD is three sections here, AB, BC, and CD. I bet somebody in here probably said the answer was 36. It's 37. There's only three segments that make up segment AD. Be careful about that particular piece. Now, to figure out what CF is, this is the triangle trapezoid type question here. That's triangle ACF, where JB is the mid-segment. So if JB is a mid-segment with length 7, then CF is the third side, which will be double that length. So it's CF. No, CF is 14. Then, to figure out what the length of DK is, now we change our focus here. CF is now the median of this trapezoid. JB is 7. DK, we got to figure out. So double the median, 2 times 14 equals 7 plus something. 7 plus 21 is the answer. All right, which segments are parallel? When we're dealing with these types of questions, we're looking for the mid-segment. The mid-segment will contain the two midpoints. So do we have midpoints here on this diagram? Yeah, Y is a midpoint, W is a midpoint, so YW is a mid-segment. Therefore, it is parallel to TY or TV. Okay? Because U is not a midpoint, then this segment is not parallel to TX and vice versa. And same thing for UY. Okay, next question involves a mid-segment. We got I as a midpoint here, and it's parallel, so that means that E is also a midpoint. So we can set those two guys equal and solve for X. To solve for Y, EI is a mid-segment, so double the mid-segment is equal to the other, the third side. So from that, we get that Y is equal to 5. That means that the length of the mid-segment is 10, and the length of the third side is 20, which make sure you plug those answers back then so you can check your work. All right, up here, number 4. This is a trapezoid, but it's not just any trapezoid. It's an isosceles trapezoid. So an isosceles trapezoid, if you know one angle measure, you know them all. So if this is 101 degrees, then this one up here is also going to be 101, and then these two will be the supplements of 101, 79. So from there, we can solve for x, y, and z. And oh goodness, you got a fraction. This one, number 5, is not an isosceles trapezoid. So all we can do is to say that these angles are supplementary. The ones I can mark here in green, the ones in orange are supplementary, and not the other way around. All right, number 6 involves a median, and then this is just simply these lengths are going to be the same, 3y and 5y minus 8. So solving for y is not a problem. To solve for x, double the median is equal to the sum of the two bases, 4x minus 7 plus x minus 3, and then solve. Plug those things in so you can check them out, make sure that they work, that you get 45 here, 17 here, and 73. There should be a constant piece that these get added by. Yeah, 45 minus 17 is 28. 73 minus 45 is 28. So 28 is the consistent difference. And then number 7, just don't be fooled by one of these. If it gives you an isosceles trapezoid, the legs are congruent. This guy up here doesn't really matter. So you solve for x just like you'd expect. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful. Hey, if you have any questions while I'm out, email me. I'm lying around, hopefully sleeping a lot, but email me and I will get back to you and can even communicate with you surprisingly well from home in my computer. So yeah, don't be there struggling as you prepare for your test and everything that's coming up soon. But hopefully I will be back very soon, but probably not before Friday. Goodbye, everybody. Oh, and be good. Be very good.